7, tax sugar, not health. Obesity costs the NHS billions annually. Now, a hefty tax on sugary drinks and junk food could provide or could fund prevention programs and incentivize healthier choices. Now, I've got to be honest, I've had a lot of stress over the last few years, and it is perhaps an excuse, but I haven't ate well, or indeed sometimes I've perhaps had a little bit too much alcohol. But I have, I've never smoked, but for sure I've been lured by the wrong kinds of foods. And many people do. But the reality is I personally am working hard, and I'm trying to lose weight, to exercise more, and to eat healthy. But I've got a long way to go. But would it help if all sugary treats and junk food was taxed? I think it could. I think it certainly would. So why has it not happened? Industry lobbying, fear of public backlash. We need a public awareness campaign that highlights the health and the economic benefits of this kind of tax. And, we think about it, it's happened with smoking. We had a smoking advertising ban, and of course, we can't smoke in public areas. I've never smoked, so I don't know what the problem is, but I'm not directly affected by this, other than when I go into a building, a public building, and it's not covered of smoke. I remember years ago reeking of smoke. Now, I guess sugary treats or drinks don't, and even the language, I'm using the language treats, which in a way could be better calling it sugary poison. So I think what we really need is innovation in communications, and the anti-sugar lobby needs to be funded, and we really need to get intelligent, and particularly from a young age where people are brainwashed. We know that. So again, this is such a big issue, and there are public policy mechanisms, public health mechanisms to create change. But of course, what we also really need to do is we need to show and reinforce all of the positives of health. And doing this, decreasing the burden on the health system is good for everybody. It's good for the nation, because when people are awake, then they are better able to be productive and earn for themselves and their families. So there we go. That's number 7.